All right. I'm not sure whether it's already live. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Just want to see if preview is reflected. Yeah. All right. So basically, in this stream, I would be making model block editor. At the moment, since last stream, I did a couple of things. I, to be honest, don't remember exactly. Let's see the log. So it was Wednesday. So I fixed morph categories, then vertical. Basically now stuff gets rendered inside of the UI for now. Like this. Hello everyone. Habib, bro, how are you? Circus tips, hello. Oh, I'm a moderator. Yes. I think so. Basically, it kind of works. There is no actors yet. I'm basically currently gonna do model block. Basically, this is model block, like, but at the moment it has just the form, and if I change like here to a different, 1 second, model set butterfly. It would once next time I would place once it's hot swapped would be a butterfly. The notebook. Wait, what's the name of it? Jukebox. Jukebox block rendering is because I didn't have anything rendered for some time until I managed to get this working. So beside that, I also fixed the morph stuff, like I shown here. Then there was also a bug with if I would hover, it would basically break and stuff. So this is fixed. But now what I need to do is basically to make so by right clicking, I would have a UI that where I could edit stuff. Hi McHorse, how are you and how are your mod? It's going steady. I've wasted basically yesterday like maybe 4 or 5 hours on some really stupid shit, and there's still obstacles, but its development is going forward. Pizza MC, hi bro. Hey man, just checking quickly to see how things are going. Looks like you're making good progress. Yeah, I'm doing some good progress. Although this time is not exactly spent efficiently because some stuff with Minecraft obstacles. But yeah, it's going good. Is it 120? Look here. I think this should be a big tell which version is it. So for the video, I mean for the stream, I set up some networking. So I have here a couple of classes. So it's server network and the client network. On the server, I have this handler that basically receives from the model block here. Well, no, it's once I get a message from the server, once I click the model block, it sends back the packet to the server, and then I get the data here. It shows that here. Probably I should chosen the server network to data to string to show like how it actually works. I decided to freeze Machinima Plus mod for Deep Rock Galactic, but now I'm making a VR game. Oh, that's kind of sad, but at the same time, making a VR game, that sounds pretty impressive. Good luck with that. Like, not sarcastically, but you know what I mean. It's probably difficult. So yes, the data is getting written here. It's a butterfly model. It's Some model. Someone should say model. Ah, it's because I get, yeah. So yeah, I receive the data form and then I can change the model block. So yeah, when you said that the BBS will be released in the worst case in 10 months, I was very surprised. I expect development of the mod to take at least a year. Well, really, well, because of the generous donations, I can spend a lot more time into it. So the progress has been booming. Yeah, cool stuff. So at the moment, what I'm gonna do is, let's see. So I'll start with trying to make it work so that when I place different things, model block would have like no form, and then if I right click it, it would change the form. For this, I need to basically send back the form data like I did here. So it's up, yes, so accept here and then change the form and then update it on the client. It's almost done, but one thing I need to do is to make so that the model would sync. Okay, let's try that out. First, I'm gonna remove all the extra unnecessary stuff. Then with model block, block entity, I'm gonna remove the default form, and that is that. And then in the wiki, I need to find out one thing about fabric. I'm not fabric, but basically with the block entities, I need to figure out how to synchronize the data. Once it's changed, I think it was rendering blocks and items dynamically. Appearance. No, I think it was somewhere in the theme. Item block entities. This thing. Syncing block entity with data with item stack. No, that's not it. It's one before that. One more. Sync data from the client here. So that's what I need to do here. So for version 1.18 and above, that's for me. I'll write to update initial. We need to call world update listeners to trigger the bit. Okay, so I think all I need to do for this is so it was block here. I'll just import these classes. Yam, yam, yam. Ready, ZenBT. What does this do? Yeah, that's fine. That's what I need. Oh, and also serialization. I need to serialize a form to, so let's say this thing. So write and read. Also that. I froze it because we got a little bored with Deep Rock Galactic and its modding, but I'll turn. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Modding basically. So it's write NBT and read NBT. So if this form is not zero, no, then I'm going to put a form into this by the way, that is storage. Also to NBT EBS mod get forms to data this form. And then I also need to do the same thing with from one reading. If NBT has no, contains key, form, froggy hello, hi. And then I can try that is equals form BBS mod, get forms, my dia de programação. Yeah, another day of programming. Then from data, and I need to read the to convert from NBT. Basically, in my system, I have a completely different, not completely different, it's very similar, but it's my own system. And it's very similar to NBT, but I didn't use NBT in my NBBS studio because I didn't want to depend on another library, so I kind of made my own NBT with it's called Blackjack and pretty lazy. And yeah, so that's why I need to convert it from one format to another. It's probably not the fastest way, but the problem with I don't want to rely on NBT if they're gonna change some stuff that I cannot have access to. That would be really disappointing. By the way, Mahars, have you ever played Deep Rock Galactic? I've played once. I found the game loop pretty boring and I refunded it. It looks like a good game, but I didn't click with me. So I get the what? Oh, it's then I guess I need to base type. Is that a new mod or it's a new mod. It's a part of my application to my new versions of Minecraft on Fabric. Hi, is Megaf. Hi, is me again. I found a bug on BBS Linux. When player dies, the game lags and crashes. I don't. I don't really support BBS as an engine. It was pretty flawed. Good to know, I guess, but I'm not. You should have compiled the BBS Studio. So if it's as a map, no, it's a map, then I can finally construct the form. I probably should make like a helper to read forms, but for now it's fine. Okay, so we have NBT, and now I think what I have to do is in the server handler, I know, in the client handler, I have here a butterfly. Okay, that's cool. And then in a server, what I do is I get from the player that get world, get block entity at the position, B, if B instance of block model block entity, model block, then I can update form and the form, and then I also need the world probably. We have the world so that it would basically, let's see, does it have the position? Yes, it has a position. It said in the wiki you have to trigger the synchronization with this. So there is a get pause, world get block state gets the same pause position. If you would you have a possibility to make a um, small updates to the mod where model blocks, so if possible, wait, there is also English. If possible, add to the model block by solid type. I don't know, we'll see about that. I think you could just do the same thing with like it was with what's called, well, basically for a barrier block. Hello, new subscriber here. Hey, thanks for subscribing. So old state, new state. Wait, how did it go? State days. Block notify listeners. So there's no new state, so I can just click this. And as for the form, is form utils fix is done. No, fix is not done. It's just a different new task basically. So yeah, I'll still be fixing a lot of stuff later. I'm just kind of like focusing on other things to spice it up. Your blast mode is so useful, bro. Thank you, bro. So update morph, and in theory, if I launch right now and if I try to place a model block and then I right click it, it should update the the form inside of the model block. I really hope at least it's launching. So yeah. So there is no model block. Oppa, it did work. It does update the model block. That's really cool. Okay, so now I have the basic networking working, and now I can start working on the GUI. So the model block has, let's see if I need to check with the source code for with BBS. So there is actually not that much to change. It's just transform and so yeah, let's see. I think I also might have here some method for see static. We have here writing down of write to compound and bt void bt compound string key and then base type data. This would basically, given the base type, I would write down to compound. How did I do it? It's right here. So the key goes here, and then data goes here. Same thing with the reading. Base type, read from MBT compound, and key. Same here. Return no if it's not a thing. If base type is not no, then I return base type. And here compound get key. This works for sure. I can understand the coding, but I still watch. Wow. I have one question. This mod is like a old BBS mod? No. Like old GUI and recording. No, it's not gonna be the same. It's going to be like BBS Studio if you want to see how it's kinda like. Let's see if I can find the video quickly.
Before we start.
So it's gonna be like this. Hi Makars, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. I'm doing model block. Let's see. So now I can just put data storage details, write to NBT compound, so compound is NBT, then form, and here I go like this. I think I could just even shorten it to form utils data. Is there any UI changing settings? What do you mean by that? The game making guild. So data storage utils, read from NBT compound, NBT, then form, probably instance of map type. Well, it looks like it didn't help that much. So NBT, then this is transform. This transform to data. Then have something in your DS channel, just look and make musicals, and most of them I built are model blocks and they can move around, but look what the joke is. I'm going through them, so if there is what? If you're asking whether you would be able to just convert to newer versions, then no. You'll have to redo it. I think you can just like do it. So then here this transform from data base type equals data storage details read from NBT tag NBT, let's transform base type. Yeah, I'll need to clean it up to make it much nicer, but for now I think this is gonna work. Slaylen, hi, hello. So ticking, that's fine. Let's see. This should be enough information for editing, and now I can do copy. Let's see. So UI model block panel. I created just like basic, not basic, just a class. UI turbo panel. Yeah. So the UI graph, I need to do something like UI graph. So here, that's it. So here I would have the greatest man doing the greatest thing again. Hello. Thanks, Glory. That's very humbling. Greatest man. So it would be a list of model block entities, or I think for now it's all right. Model block entity. So model blocks. Then I also have I'm gonna have nested edit. It's basically for picking pick edits. I have an idea. Can you add overlay support? I want that because I want to animate like Dan Bull. He always uses overlays. I'm not really sure what you're talking about, the game making guild. Then I also need a prop transform. So these are the elements that I need really for editing. So that means let's see. So I have a list, and I'll have peer. Yeah, not on peer. Load. I don't remember the name of the method that is responsible for. So it was appear and open. There we go. That's what I'm going to update. List. And then I also have a private model block entity. It's the entity that I'm gonna be model block that I'm gonna be editing. So by default it's gonna be fill null. I'm gonna basically select none as first, and let's see, so void fill model block entity model block. This dot model block is model block, and then if it's not, if model block is not null, basically null is when there is nothing, it's filled. Then it's gonna be filling in these values. For example, this pick edit is set form model block dot get form, and this transform set transform model block get transform. This transform, I'm gonna put it right next to get form right after. And as for update the list, here I'll have I'm not sure how exactly it's done, but let's try and see if I can game render model block entities. So basically, I know that I need to fill the list here with all of the coordinates of visible model blocks. The way to do it is I need probably to somehow get all of the model blocks that are currently rendering, and then I can basically take them and add them to the list. Let's see. But first I need to probably set up the UI model blocks. So UI list, I probably need a not not probably. I need a model block entity list. It basically would be a UI list of model blocks entities. It's where I can like display and show element to string. Element dot get pause, and then I'm gonna turn it into a string. And probably it's a good idea also to have a form also be element get form. So, and the string is gonna be like this. So x, so it's gonna be kind of like in BBS Studio. So there'll be coordinates for where it's basically in the world, z plus and if so string if form is not null, then I'm gonna add to the string the name of the form, get display name. Get ID or name. Yeah, I think this I need this. Now I can substitute this for this model block entity list. UI model block entity list, and this is what I pick the fill. I will get 0. I think that should be. What else do I need here? One is the consumer. Then what's the problem? UI model block entity list. Model block entity. List of model block entities. Then what did you like? Oh, wrong thing. A7A. What's up, GI? Is it GI or GL? Basically, hi. So let's see. Then this pick edit is gonna be nested edit. I don't remember exactly what it does. I think it's editing, and for this is UI form picker palette. Open the parent is this, then editing is editing, form is this dot model block dot get form, and the consumer is let's see, it's gonna be this model block set form, and set form. Oh, I don't have a set form. Form. This dot form is form. Probably form utils. Let's copy just in case. Wait. No, not copying, because I probably want to see how stuff gets reflected when I edit. Probably I could just, yeah, this small block dot form. That's about right. And finally, for the transform, I'm going to have, wait, what's transform callback? I don't need this, I just like this. Now I need to make it like, so that's the GUI. There'll be background for the list, and I will have a UI scroll view. Margin padding, so 5, 10. It's usually the one that I prefer. Model blocks. No, that's actually a bad design. Well, for now, just for now. This, maybe there's no even need for so scroll view. I want scroll view, scroll opposite, and cancel scrolling. I think that's fine. Do backflip. I don't even know how to do that. I don't know. You're weird. And scroll view gonna be like relative to this. Then width probably 200 is fine. H is 100%. And now, wait, so let's see. I need to update the list. Then I have this done, and then upon changing, if this model block is not known, then I'm gonna basically save it by sending the data to the server, which is a client network send position form. It's that's oh, I need more data than that. Transform. Well, for now, it's just gonna be the thing. So this model block. So if model block is not null, probably I can just remove them here. Can you rig a OBJ model in BBS mod? Yeah, you kind of can. But I don't think I have an example of that. So maybe like you can do, for example, let's say you have a generic model, then you have like a cube, which is like a thing, and then you have like a mesh, which is like a sphere diameter 16. No, that's too much. Like 6. And then you can add it to a group. So for example, like the whole thing. And then also the sphere is gonna be have pivots over here. And then I'm gonna just create for all of this texture template. And then I'm going to save it. OBJ rig texture PNG. Model thing, then I'm gonna export it. And now once I'm gonna finish here, so get form. Cougar X. Hello, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. And you? So I don't have the list first, but I'm gonna just show the how BJ rig gonna look like. I mean, maybe there's gonna be a bug, who knows? But I hope not. And while it does that, I think I need to edit in the client. Not very, I think here. Execute. So Minecraft, so client. First, I'm gonna see if screen, current screen. So first, I need a UI dashboard. Dash. If oh boy. Can I BBS mod client? That not. Oof. Okay, I cannot do it right now. I need to. I'm just gonna shout and I'm gonna fix it. Cool. That means I can use an Rick skeleton Dunbow model. Yes, let's see if it works. So yeah, as you can see, it works. For real, yes. Butterfly. Yes, hello, BK Bluey. So now I can get here a block entity. Entity is a client world get block entity position. Wow, that looks sick. It does indeed. VBS mod client. Um, where is that bird? Here, that bird. Let's see. Salsa should be private static. And here I'm gonna Nitobot uploaded his second 80-second video today. Good to know. So here I can take that. I use JetBrains. Yes, I am using JetBrains. Okay, so I have UI dashboard is BBS mod client get dashboard. Then I can check if client current screen is equals to that. If it's not, then I should oh boy. Okay. UI screen and screen dot get menu. Now I need this UI base menu. This dot menu. I can now use Roblox models in BBS mode. That is very cool. Yeah. Make Blockbuster compatible with customizable player models. No. Zombie gamers, hello. Hi, how are you doing? Okay, server network. Wait, that's another need. I need client. Then I need to open the menu. Client. Set screen. Dashboard. Oh boy. New UI screen. Text empty. Make BBS compatible with Create. No. Then I have in BBS my client. Was in the client network. Then I need to set no, in the dashboard I need to set panel. How you getting hang of the kind of new coding? I'm slowly learning. It's going all right. Get UI model block panel class. I'm gonna get the panel and then a panel fill the block entity. So wait, first if entity instance of model block return. And then I'm going to cast it entity to entity. What would you like? I did. Oh, oops, those were around. Let's see. Oh, I remember one more thing. Not here. Here I need to make the model blocks height probably around UI string list times, let's say maybe like 8. I think 8 model blocks or 9. It's a good height. Okay, I'm coming back to this in once I can basically edit the stuff, and I also need here also to do send transform. Let's see. Let's okay, and now also on the board, we need here to add register 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 panel UI model block panel this UI keys. I need to do that too now. Block and film title. I'm going to place somewhere maybe here. Public static final key. It would be model block title and open language BS UI world. No, BBS UI model blocks title. It's gonna be model blocks and the block variant. So the title, I have the title. The model block panel is here. Particle scheme, texture panel, and let's see. So I have. I think this should be it for this step. I probably don't need this. Yeah, let's see if it works. I have a feeling that it's not gonna work. Usually it's really cursed if it works on the first try. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, something went wrong, but I don't know what. So let's see. In the network client, let's see what happened exactly. Did I receive a packet here? Yes. I didn't block. Then why didn't you open a screen? No screen was opened. Maybe what's the situation? So if it's oh uh-oh, wrong. Can I do this? No. So if it's not UI screen and screen equals client turn screen and then UI screen. No, if it's no, wait, that is complicated. If the current screen is not UI screen or find current screen get menu is not dartboard, then I can. Then I need to do the thing. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, I did open, but there is nothing. What's going on here? Did I forget to add? So basically, it kind of works. Scroll view. So how's the width? It's relative. It's full height. Hmm. Uh, theme. Let's see what happens when I open the menu again. This isn't getting triggers. Let's have to reload. Okay, let's see what the structure of this is. So parent, wait, I don't need parent. I need children. So there's one child, scroll view. The area of this child should be correct. 340, 200, but it doesn't display. Okay, let's see. It's no children. What? Wait. What? The element doesn't have. I don't understand. Whoa, there's more messages. Sometimes they don't load correctly. Do you restart the game every time you make a change? Only if it's substantially, like if I change the class or something like that. But if I don't need to change the like method signature or add a new class or a new field or stuff like that, I can just hot swap by reloading. For example, wait, so I'm trying to first, can't exactly show. So for example, here, update list, for example, right now, if I'm going to open and close, there is nothing. But if I south, hello, Berto, then you see it's basically updating. And once it's hot swapped, there is now hello, Berto. And this way I can just remove it back again and rebuild it, and it's gonna, it won't say hello anymore. Hey, I've been using Blockbuster since 2018. Whoa, that's a veteran. And I want to say that I love your work. I'm really excited for BBS. I hope the skin layers make a return. It was an amazing feature. I think it's already worked, so let's see if it does. Let's try it out. So, um, oh boy, I'm kind of scared. It doesn't show, that's fine. Um, Now I'm gonna add a new one. I'm gonna pick it as yellow, and then I'm gonna move. I think it works. Multi-skin, right? So it does work. Yeah, cool stuff. Now I need to figure out why it doesn't do the thing I wanted to. Why there is nothing on the screen. That's what my problem is. Elements, scroll view, element. What? Oh boy. Now that's a bug. I need to fix it also. Seriously, I never used that. Let's see whether scroll view. Can't believe this. I never used it this way. Wow, that's insane. But wait, I still need to no stop all of them. Yeah, I don't care. Then that okay. Hi again, mine works studio. Hello, Fant OP. Hello, hello. Gloria, don't doubt yourselves, the greatest man. Andrei, by the way, my course. You participate in musicals, as a dancer in the orchestra. Pete, if that's a question, then no, I didn't. I think it's black screen because the code blocks or function is missing. No, it's black screen. I'm not. I don't care about black screen. I am caring about. You'll see basically one in a second. Because there was no UI elements, and the UI elements wasn't there because apparently I never implemented into scroll view to add elements directly. That's why there are none of these. Hello, Archie. Let's see. Is this gonna work? Hey, it works. Now it needs some bruh, how do I do it in the world? Is the panel now UI world object panel? How do I set up the transformations? So it's UI world, no, it's prop object, world prop object. Vertical compact. Okay, I see. That's what's up. Can't. Oh no 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 no! Oh boy. Yeah, that sucks. That's crashed. Oh, you're making a new version of Blockbuster? Kinda. It's a BBS mod, and it's not exactly like Blockbuster mod. It's similar in terms of its function, but it's not the same thing. Okay. Well, at least now I have the thing. Let's take a look at how I can fill the list with the model blocks. So I'm gonna clear it and then for something, and then I'm gonna fill video. Hello, McHorse. Hello. So I need to see how the client. I think maybe in the world renderer. No, I have a better idea. Why did I close? So yeah, what I'm gonna do, it's probably gonna take me a lot of time to find. Oh, it didn't launch. What are your new ideas for model blocks? Like things you never put in Blender? I don't have new ideas for model blocks, to be honest. I just want first to implement what it is. My main feature that I kind of like want to bring is the no, the film editor. It's really good. This mod is practically everywhere. Moves a lot of money in several countries. True. Good morning. Thanks for the blockbuster. You're welcome. Hello from Argentina. Hola. That's all I know in Spanish. Just kidding. Can UI lib called uvulib will they fix the UI? Uvulib, no. Name. Can you write in the chat in Russian what are you programming? Okay. Yeah, higher than inverse kinematics. Yes. Do you consider it hard to learn or not? I didn't do it and I think it's hard. Okay, let's try pick a different. Yo, it updates. It didn't update this time. It updated once, that is so lame. What? So let's see. Hmm. It is so useful. I also need to fix the camera thing. It's because of the film editor. And probably I don't need a... Oh yeah, what I was doing actually is... What I was doing is I'm gonna see where it's getting called from. Run report and run method. So dispatcher, so it's still I need to go higher. Run reported block entity, that's me. No, no. Block entity, so it's a list. Where does this list comes from? Build chunk. This is a final private object array list. Build chunk. Of course, what kind of models did you put on now? I put models from my Belly series with Teletubbies. Crazy boy, hello. Hey, how are you doing? I have to learn it for making advanced mob animations. It's so sad. Do you mean like to implement your own IK? So I think I need this guy. And do I have any ways to return this? Wait, again, go back. So get data, build chunk, chunk builder, build chunk. So if I can get this field, then I could go through all of the block entities and then add it to the list. At least all of the ones that I need in terms of model blocks. I have to learn it for me. Yeah, okay. Of course, I just don't understand English and use text and shader. Yeah, I understand, and sadly, I cannot talk all languages at the same time. So field, I think I will need a, what's this? This is world renderer. I already have a mixin for the world. No, I don't have. How did I do with mouse mixing? No, here. Oh boy. Yeah, let's try again. Come on. Close. Hello, Stanley. Hello. Hey, how are you doing? So world renderer mixin. Then it's gonna be an interface because I'm mixing. I'm gonna be world renderer and uh, to add methods to into specific existing class. I don't need this. I need to get access. Reflection, exporting, hot swapping mixins, examples, tips, redirected access, and this thing. Allow you to access fields. Suppose we want to access item use cooldown field. Ooh, I need this. Okay, let's try this. I need the field. What was the name of it? This guy. It's a object array. What do I do? Okay, public void get field like this, and then accessor, and finally I can add it here, world render mixin, and I think this way I can let's see, in the UI model block panel. Macars, did you have any haters or did you not? I don't know. I don't know whether I have any haters. Minecraft client does get instance, get a world renderer mixin, get field. I need this chunks, and for build chunks chunk get. Wait, what was the thing that I was looking for? Block entity. Block entity. Someone was here. Render here list. So get data this thing. Then I can go over block entity. And then if entity is instance of Makar, did you want to to make Blockbuster mod Minecraft PE, yes or no? No. I cannot do it. It's literally impossible. No Blockbuster mod will be not in Minecraft. No Blockbuster mod will be not in Minecraft PE. The Minecraft PE C++ is harder than the Java, so it's not easy to there. Plus, there is no mod support on PE. That's correct. And the add-ons, Bedrock add-ons, are pretty limited. So model block entity, model block, and then I can add it to the list. Yeah. Fill, and then also I probably need to add a select. If select, then this model blocks dot set current scroll model block. So here it's gonna be false and no and false. Here is also false, and then third place where it was, it's in the here, and it's gonna be true. Okay, let's see. But in Minecraft PE 1.20 beta, there is mod support now, but you need to add it in Microplace. No, it's not gonna be. It's not a thing. Could not locate. Try this. Is there a mod figure in which you can download OBJ models from Discord and transfer to the game without Blender? Cool? No, there isn't. Could not locate access target field in target BBS. Oh boy. Makes sense itself. But it's really cool that they have like detection at the compile time. Interesting. So it's because of that mixin apply. Specified mixin world render mixin. Jeez. Wrong name. um no. I need to rename the where is refactor rename file? Oops, I didn't correctly name them. Bruh. It's loading. Now it's loaded. Let's see if it works. Yay, it does work. Now we need to fix the camera thing. Okay, let's see. Object type assets is not part of this factory. What is this? Okay, this works correctly. No, it's a cake. No, it's not. Not nose, a cake. So it has a problem where it doesn't update the second time. Let's see what does the let's see how it works here. So the server network date form. Okay, so what do we receive? Let's try with this one. Okay. Then now it works. No, it doesn't want to work. No, it does work. Okay. And now I think I don't need the thing with UI model. No, it's model block. It's a renderer. I don't need all this extra stuff. Here all I need is no slide. I need the entity rendering. No, what I need is so let's see. Matrices. It was the UI. Art, have you thought about introducing a rule regarding the English language so that it can be only used to write in chat? Your stream is glitching out. Is it? Um, your stream is glitching out. Can you elaborate on that? It seems like it's working fine. Like Kirkustip, have you RC, have you thought about introducing a rule regarding English language so that only it can be used to write in chat? I'm fine with writing, I think, but I'm not gonna speak it. Your stream is glitching out. I'm fine with the stream, yes. And what about the pixel models? Are they also edited in Blender? No, they can be done in what's called, forgot the name of the Magical Voxel. I can't tell whether the stream is going good. Yeah. Also, there's some kind of bug with it was matrices apply multiply and then anti get transform create matrix. Wait, there was transform utils. Um, can you add a fresh animation? What do you mean by that? Um, let's see. I think I need to restart again, or it's not gonna work. Example, a butterfly. Okay, wait. I kind of stream is doing good. Oh, hello, Gloria. Can you add a fresh animation? No. If you're talking about like the fresh animations pack. Oh, Kikus, Zeron. It looks great when you're under the block. Yeah, kinda. Watching the greatest man doing the greatest thing is how it is. For example, butterfly, which you have in Minecraft, and now it's edited in Blender or Blockbench. It's in Blockbench. Blender Blockbench is supported. Blender to Blockbench, kinda. There is it's called import obj option. Import obj, and then you can just import anything. Yes, the particles are broken right now. Yeah. Yeah, that's also kind of messed up. Matrices, translate. I'm fine. I'm AFK on the CSMP. Is it like the colony SSMP or? So now it's in the. Oh no, I don't need this. This is too much. Just in the middle. Um, I need to fix this blackness. Um, this is a little messed up. It's still rendering. So what's going? Okay, I'm gonna try with. Oh, also this background. He's truly great. How did he know? I'll probably switch the time set day. I was just testing whether stuff works. For example, here it doesn't work correctly. Let's see if I can actually fix this as well. No, no man, it's too much. So in the film panel, there is, I think, open. So the control, yes, it's this. So in that case, let's see, dashboard. There's supposed to be another like orbit. This camera. The greatest man, did you just guess the name? What name? Name of what? Camera. Priority 5. Hello, Kirkus. Hello, Iron. I don't remember how it works in BBS Studio. So, UI dashboard. There is also this open camera. Orbit camera controller. This priority. So UI film panel is okay, I need to quickly check something in BBS Studio. Okay, so the problem right now is that I have here, for example, I can have the camera, and then if I change it, for example, like to another scene, the camera would be working over here, and it's not clear exactly why in BBS mode this doesn't work, for example. So I'm gonna check this out. UI dashboard, and I'm going to check here render menu. Yes, and BBS get engine get. Oh, this get camera. Oh wait, no. Open. The Can you say what new was added? Where in BBS? Film editor. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Get current. It's orbit camera, but it has priority. But what about controllers? There are two controllers. Orbit controller. Oh boy, I messed up. I need to restart. So I messed up something, I think. Okay, again. There's one controller. All right. And this way, PPS, wait, where is? There's one controller, and then once I go to the casino, for example, here there's now two controllers. So I guess means that somewhere here I messed up with a UI film panel up here. Oh wow, is it supposed to be here? Um, huh. Well, that's messed up. No wonder it doesn't work. So on appear it adds, and on disappear it removes. The game. Let's try this again. Is there a tutorial on how to edit this butterfly in Minecraft? What do you mean edit? It's my model. You don't edit it. It's my stuff. To 120. Okay, what version you gonna update it? 1.20.4 if I remember correct. Yes, that's correct. Well, no, it's this at the moment. Once the new version comes out, and I forgot to launch it. Once the new version comes out, I'm gonna update to that. Hey McHorse, could you send your model in them later so you can test if it's working with VS mod? VSS mod, if you can, of course. Sure, I guess later. Launching, still launching. It's gonna be similar to Bluebuster mod in 1.12.2. Some aspects, yes, but some are completely different. And now every time you go live stream really often, you start uploading. Well, I mean, nobody forces you to stay here. Oh my god, what's happening? Of course, I don't understand. Okay. Um, what happens if I move it a bit up? Okay, it works? No. Okay, that's the thing with transform. It's I need the client network. So here, I think it's probably gonna be just a better idea. Model block, yeah, entity, model block. Get form, and then also here model block dot get transformed data, and then on the receiving end on the server, was network. Where is network? Then here I also get transform map data, map type. Then I'll update it here as well. Yeah, this should fix the issue with London's form not getting affected. Just Jesus, wrong one. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. And what about the gun system? Gonna have it? Probably not at first, not in the first release. Still loading. My cards, will there be metamorph updates? I don't know. At the moment, it's just the BBS Studio. That's the first thing I think is most important right now. But soon, depends on your definition of soon. Yikes. So let's try. Loading emoji. Okay. Yeah, I think there's some kind of bug with if I did the same thing again, it doesn't change. Let's see what's exactly is going on. So I think this is okay. Uh, Many years best like Mons Lamau, haha. Yeah, Mons. I mean, wait, you were talking about what? About the first release? Months, sure, we can have like 2 months or we can have like 8 months. Again, this is really, I don't have exact, let's call figures. If I edit this one, it changes. If I edit this one, it changes back. But for example, if I change this again to and then to 1, it's going back. And I don't know why. Yeah, let's see. Let's see exactly what's going on. Oh, what? No way. Oh, that's interesting. Um, let's see. Okay. I don't like. I guess this is bad. And okay, 2 new more things. So on close, I save, and on changing here, I also save. And I need to restart selfie. Will there be a thing that renders animation temp before? Will there be? Yes, that's called minima in the old versions. Okay, loading. Well, at least it's not as long. Well, maybe it's just the illusion because it first did the booting and then actual loading. MacOS Minecraft over life. I don't know what you're asking. Just what I understand, you're creating a mod like Blockbuster mod for from 1.12.2 for new versions, right? But it's not literally the same thing. One. This is not Blockbuster mod. It's a BBS Studio, an app that I made for creating machine mods, but nobody used it. And then I basically I'm porting it to new versions. I don't want to do Blockbuster for new versions because like literally taking Blockbuster and because it's first of all it's outdated, it's poorly designed and has a lot of cool features, yes, but um, okay. But I mean, I think it's worse for animation at least. Okay, I probably also need like the debug thing, so it was visible. Hmm. What is it to block Minecraft 124? Yes, that's 1.120. It's a model block. Right. Um, okay. The transform and the bug with forms getting replaced. I think it's fixed. Big cake. Um, then small cake. Normal cake. All right, this works. Um, now I need to fix with the camera thing. How would I do that? It's I think in the dashboard. I'm gonna check what's going on with the camera controllers. Render menu. Where this is? Oh, I'm not in the menu. Will the way of exporting models, textures, animation remain the same, or it will be simplified in case of Blockbench? Have you seen, well, with Blockbuster and OBJs, it was pretty complicated, but have you seen how chameleon models were loaded? So basically, it's the same way. Will the mod will work on server is not tested, but I think it will. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so BBS mod client get camera controller. There's one controller, Orbit camera controller. So if for V is 0, um, so that it's supposed to have, so this is broken and I think it was supposed to be updated here. Did this ever get? No. So v Minecraft equals Minecraft client get instance game settings options get FOV, and then I need to transform it to utils to radians. It's what don't you like? Oh, the camera model block was working for 1 second. Has the version of Bluecare been upgraded? I'm not sure what you're talking about.
红红磨小豌豆。
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Hong Kong. Come on, it's supposed to update. Maybe. Okay, it has changed. Wait, what? In theory, there should be like a what's it called? Orbital control, but why doesn't it work? UI orbit camera. What? Search control. Bruh. What preparation do we need to make before making a short film? Well, usually get the map ready, the audio files for the dialogue or music synchronization and the models. Then you set up things. So basically in the BS mode we can do everything we could do in Blockbuster on 1.12, but on newest version with many other cool features you've developed, right? Not exactly. It would be at the moment, at first, it's gonna be more simpler in terms of features. There's not gonna be like all of the cool stuff like I don't know shader curves or BB gun or basically it's gonna be more at first it's gonna be more advanced and basic, and then once I'll see what's missing, I could probably get it on par with Blockbuster mode. Hopefully that Orbit UI control file false. What if I change? Yeah. Okay, where is the cake? Cake is here. This is so dumb. So what is this supposed to even be? Is flight supported? Oh. Wait, what? Oh, that is very cringe. Not cringe, but damn. I mean, awkward. How to download BBS related modules? It's not out yet, Hong Kong. Okay. Come on, load faster. Please work. One see. Oh, come on. I wonder, butterfly. So can I change its? Yep, I surely do. I also need to redo so that I wouldn't have two separate things. I want to do it in BBS Studio, but that lady. Um, how does that look? It's just minus. Also, yeah, I need to fix that thing. Okay. Yes. Um, I change everything to the third person I can see myself. And I probably some model blocks more or less working. That is looking great already. Yeah, that looks indeed. Another thing that needs background. Can pause. Pause. How to import a model. My man, this is not a tutorial stream. There are tutorials on my channel. Probably would be also a good idea to have or be able to basically select like in BBS Studio, but it's another thing. Um, so basic editing is working. I need to fix the problem with what's called the camera. Camera entity. Weird. Um, Let's see if this works. Hot swap failed. It means I have to restart again. Do you guys maybe want to discuss something? Can you use a Ferrari Testarossa PS1 low poly car model as a test for BBS model? I don't have such model. Do you have such model? Well. Nope. Oh, there is even the hand there. Hey, it didn't help. Okay, what's up with this? Using Sketchfab. So position. I like something else. Oh, that's the wrong place to. Um, okay, let's see how did I do it in BBS mod, BBS Studio. Bruh. Wrong method. Sketchfab website models for mods like BBS mod. For sure. um, this is probably not gonna be good. Um, but well, then wait, where? Where was that then? There was a camera controller. Nope, not here. Okay, then I guess. What was that thing? FOV options. Get FOV, get value. Camera position says it was entity Minecraft client get instance get camera entity. Okay, for now I'm just no. Probably gonna take here also. Let's see if it works correctly. What is this? Oh, it's because that's why. I need eye position. Wrong direction. Okay. Okay, this is correct. The FOV is kind of weird though. I don't know why there is such a weird FOV. Balls. Nice. Nice balls. So it must be then in radians. So, and what is what is this values? 17. Okay. Then it becomes 70. It doesn't make any sense. Wait, what? This is weird. It's not supposed to work this way. Both. This is the longest stream ever. You sure? I had a stream where it was like 4 hours almost. I like the FOV. Best mod streamer. Well, it's clearly not entertaining, but at least it's kind of does something, I guess. Okay. No, it's something. Bruh. Oh, wait. Wow, you can see the edge of the thing. Um, I don't like that the FOV doesn't change. Let's see if it works. Okay. Mm. Oh, good butterfly. Okay. So then the problem is with the camera. It means orbit camera controller. Oh boy, that's what the problem is. Mm. Okay, I need to disable HUD and the rendering. Oh wow, what the heck? Like, what happened there? Oh, this is an issue. I'm just gonna wrap it like that. And I have to restart. What? Chicken butt. Haha. Just kidding. It's boring to reload Minecraft every to do a change. Problem in this moment, some music playing would be nice, I guess. Hmm. Yeah, the shading doesn't seem to be working correctly. Oh, I think I know what the problem is. Nope. Still, I guess it's another thing that I have to fix. And now the lighting is kind of broken. It's broken. It didn't help. All these mods support multiplayer server. Depends on what they mean by multiplayer support. This also needs fixing. And I don't like this sound. Oh, I think I know. Block model block in here. Okay, now that should be fixed. You know how to code. What next will we fix? Oh, okay, this works. I think I want to fix the HUD showing up when I don't need it to, like here. So this I could either probably hide it upon entering the menu and then cache it. And then I guess that's gonna be the easiest one. Let's see. On displays, you know what? I don't think even I needed. Oh, I probably didn't even need that. So this client, Minecraft. When this mod will release, it'll be a masterpiece. Yeah. Think current screen. It's one in game. Is there such class in game HUD? There I go. Let's see. Throw render crosshair render. I want to find where what's responsible for HUD rendering. Nope. Minecraft client in game HUD. No, this in game HUD render. It will add it a long time, but if it was quote, it may be added faster, but it is fabric. It's alright. I think it's game render then. Render. Clear title. Oh, no, I don't need this. Was let's try just looking for client and game HD render. Keyboard, client, mouse. What's your spectator? Dot. That's all I need. There it is. So game render. $980. So here. What is it? It's either here. Discounted. What? Game render. Right here. There it is. There it is. So I'm basically gonna force how it's called, the HD to be hidden when the UI screen is opened, which is basically a dashboard. Now launching. When you're free to start VVS gun, things being graded yet to able to see the player's view while configuring the positions. I mean, isn't that already the thing, at least with the third person? In first person. I think you can see behind the overlays the first person stuff. Let's try. Oh, I think something crashed. Oh boy. Great, now I have to launch it again. If you see green lines means they work, but something wrong. Hey, it works. Um, over here.
What if I told you that we're so back?
No way. Oh my. There are so
Yeah, it works here too. But yeah, now would be nice feature to add is to like right click. Oh, also notice this. Um, hmm. Um, to be honest, yeah, I'm kind of out of juice. So I think I'll wrap up. Basically, well, I managed to do the moving blocks stuff. It's a very basic, and I could change the morph, form, texture stuff, and basically it works. You can maybe even do this here. But there's still a lot of stuff to be fixed in terms of like the shading here is kind of off. As you can see, you cannot by changing it doesn't help that much. Mm. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and that's basically it. Bye.